Hey folks, I have a quick tip for you. If you're doing live sporting events and you want instant replay, one of the cool new features of the 850 Extreme is the ISO quarter. A really nice feature is slow motion replay of whatever camera you want to select. And what I mean by that is, if you're typically using the time warp controller to do ins and outs of replays, a lot of times you're picking one camera in advance, or it's whatever you have on the program bus. By using the aux bus, you can select what camera you want to feed just to the DDR for instant replay. Let me show you how. Obviously you have all your cameras set up. The next thing you have to do is ensure that the format for the aux is the same as the project. So make sure your format down here below matches the project format. The aux source at this point does not matter. That's going to change here in a moment. Then under record, you want to make sure you're recording two things. You're going to set the primary record to be the aux and set up a secondary record to be your program. That way you get your program recorded as well. Also make sure your add primary source to DDR playlist is selected. This is going to put the instant replays in the DDR. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to pick DDR2. Then, by selecting the utility bus delegate, press aux out. And this way you can feed whatever camera by picking the camera on the utility bus that gets recorded to the DDR. This is great flexibility to let you know what camera is being recorded for slow motion. And as usual, use the time warp controller to hit the replay in button when the play begins and the replay out button when the play is over. You'll see the clip appear in your bin, and that is the clip you're going to use for replay. You then easily can do a transition to that slow motion and control it with the time warp controller. I hope this tip was helpful. Enjoy your TriCaster. See you next time.